Hi, welcome to Thiru Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Ajax calling. Okay, what is Ajax? Ajax is a web technology to send a request to server without submitting a web page. I mean, we don't want to refresh that web page, but we need to get that data. Okay, in that situation, we are going with Ajax calling. Okay, Ajax stands for asynchronous JavaScript and XML. What is asynchronous? Asynchronous means it is a process of sending a request to server without, irrespective of the response, whether we are getting or not. Okay, uh, previous response also. Okay, that is asynchronous calling. Okay, JavaScript. Normally, in JavaScript, we can create a Ajax object to send to the server in JavaScript. In JavaScript, normally to send the request to server, we will go with Ajax calling. Okay, normal Ajax in sense. Ajax means asynchronous JavaScript and XML. What is XML? XML is a data, okay, between browser and server to transform. In between browser and server, we need to transform data, right? In the form of XML format. Will transfer the data between browser and server. XML is a language. Ajax is not a programming language. It's an approach to send to send request and to get response between browser and server. It is one of the approach to get API calling and all. Okay, this way. In this Ajax calling, fetch is a method request. Using fetch, we can send a request to server without submitting a web page. It is a method. Okay, then after fetch method, after fetch is used to call the external APIs to get the data. After execution of the fetch method, we will use a then method. Then is the callback method. Okay, after executing that fetch method, we will use then to process our requests. Okay, we can access APIs using Ajax approach. By using Ajax approach, we can call that APIs to get that data from server to browser or web page without refreshing that web page. We'll see one example about Ajax calling. You will get more clarity on it. Okay, see, this is the demo.html which we have created. This is the demo.ts file. Okay, in this we have in HTML file we have created a one button. Okay, click button we have implemented. When we click on that button, we need to get that data by calling that external API. Okay, coming to demo.ts function, here is the get data is the function. We are calling this function when we are clicking that button. Okay, in this get data function, fetch is the method to call that external APIs. This is the external API call. Okay, REST API. This is the REST countries API. If you observe, we have already discussed about this REST countries API in Spring Boot. Whenever we are discussing with REST template, by using this REST countries APIs, we have developed one application how to get REST countries API. Okay, if you observe this, we'll see. See, these are all the REST countries data. By using this REST countries API, we can get that countries data. Okay, this the fetch is the function to get that API information. Response data will get by using fetch function. After execution of the fetch function, we'll call then function. It is a callback function to process our data. Here dt is the object. We are getting that data in the form of JSON object, dt.json. In return we are getting after calling that fetch function. Okay, then here we are getting that REST countries data in the form of map, and we are displaying it in console. Okay, this is called contact info. I will modify, sorry, countries info. Okay, countries info we are displaying in console. Okay, whenever we click on get data function, we need to call that REST countries API by using that fetch function. Then it is the callback function to process our data. Then we are getting that response data in the form of JSON. Then we are processing and displaying our countries information. Okay, we'll see how we can run. I need to compile demo.ts file, right? tsc demo.ts -w. Yeah, compiled and no errors. Okay, fine. Here we are opening demo.html file in browser. When we click on when we click on this click, we need to get that REST countries API data. Okay, in console we don't have anything. Okay, when we click on this, we are getting this data. See, these are all the REST countries API data. This is the here what we have displayed here, console.log countries info, then countries info.name.common. What we have that in common? See here, countries info.name.common. Common, this means name.common. Common is a variable or object which displays the name of that country, and here population also we are displaying. Countries info dot population, direct population we are displaying here. See how we can display here. See, we'll see one more. Sorry, console.log will display one message for separation. Thiru Academy. Okay, I'm refreshing this page. See, for every it is not displaying. Why? It's okay if it is displayed or not. Nothing an issue, right? We are seeing, right? Yes, I forgot to refresh the page. Okay, I'm refreshing and I'm clicking again. Now we are seeing, right? See, India, we'll see. India, country name and population, this much big number. Okay, here we will display one more value so that you can understand how we are displaying. Okay, time zones, here is our flags is there, right? Flags and PNG will display that flag image, right? Okay, we'll see. We don't want all those things. Contact info.fl flags.png. Okay, fine, saved. I'm refreshing this page. I'm clicking on get data function called and it is displaying that PNG. Okay, this is the logo of which country? Ecuador. Okay, this is the flag of Gabon country. Okay, we'll see some more country. Cuba. We'll see Cuba flag. See, this is the flag of the Cuba country. Okay, this way we need to call the rest countries API and we need to get that info. If you want to get some other values in that, here capital is there, right? We need to get this capital object and we need to iterate and then we need to get that capital city name. Okay, like this we need to call that Ajax calling in Typescript. If you really like this video, please like, share and comment in comment box. Thank you for watching.